Good day, everyone. My name is Goddan. So I have this question that says simplify the square root of 460. Now, 460 is not a perfect square. So the best way to simplify the square root of 460 is to express 460 as a product of its prime in the root. So that we have the square root of 460 is equal to the square root of, so 460 is the same thing as 2 times 230, right? Now, 230 is also the same thing as 2 times 115, right? So now, 115 is the same thing as 3 can't go, right? So 5 will go. That's 5 times 2, 3. Now, if you look at this, we can no longer simplify 23 because 23 being the last number is also a prime number. So it means that the square root of 460 will equal to the square root of, we have 2 times 2 times 5 times 23. Now, we know that the square root of 4 is equal to. How do we know that it's equal to? It's because 2 is that number that will multiply itself twice, that is 2 times 2, that will give us 4. So 2 times 2 multiplying itself to give us 4 means that the square root of 4 is one of them, which is 2. So every time we see a pair like this, it means one of them is the square root of a number. So it means that this will equal, this is a square root, so we write it out. And then in the root, we have 5 times 23 left. So this will equal 2 roots. 5 times 23 is 115. So it means that root 460 is equal to root 115. Please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As do well to also follow us across our social media pages at Goddan School of Mathematics. Till I come your way again, bye for now.